How to reactivate my expired SIM card.
Hello, viewers. Today, we'll be discussing a common issue, reactivating an expired SIM card. If you've got a SIM card that has gone inactive, don't worry, this video is here to help you reactivate it.
What is an expired SIM card?
First, let's understand what we mean by an expired SIM card. A SIM card can become expired or deactivated if it hasn't been used for a certain period of time, usually over 3 to 6 months, depending on your mobile service provider's policies. This is typically done to free up the network resources.
How to check if your SIM card is expired.
To check whether your SIM card is expired or not, try to make a call or send a message. If you're unable to do so and there's no network coverage, your SIM card might be expired. Also, you can check the status of your SIM card by logging into your account on your provider's website or app.
Can I reactivate my expired SIM card?
Yes, most of the time, it's possible to reactivate an expired SIM card. However, it depends on your service provider and the length of time the SIM has been inactive. Each provider has different policies about reactivating expired SIMs, so you'll need to contact them directly.
Steps to reactivate an expired SIM card.
Here are the general steps to reactivate your expired SIM card. 1. Contact your mobile service provider. This could be through their customer service phone number, via their website, or in person at a store. 2. Provide your information. Be ready to give them your SIM card number and other necessary details. 3. Request reactivation. Ask the customer service representative to reactivate your SIM card. If your SIM card is eligible for reactivation, they will help you through the process. 4. Follow the given instructions. The representative will guide you through the reactivation process, which may require you to restart your phone or reinsert the SIM card. Remember that the exact process may vary depending on the service provider. We hope this guide has made the process of reactivating an expired SIM card a little less daunting. Always remember to regularly use your SIM card to avoid deactivation. Thank you for watching, and stay connected. Note: this process can't guarantee the recovery of the same phone number or the data services associated with the expired SIM. Always back up your data and keep your SIM active to avoid losing important information.